Haul. Today we're going to cook beetroot rice. So I have 3 cups of beetroot, 1 whole beetroot, we have salt, I have sliced onions, and I'm also going to use extra virgin oil. Yeah, so the process is I'm going to grate the beetroot into small pieces, then we'll go ahead and start our cooking. So to cook to my pot, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, then I'm going to go ahead and add the onions, I'll stir this. It's not good to cook oil for so long because although it's a vegetable oil, it might end up to turn to saturated fats that can be harmful to the body. So after cooking this for a while, I'll go ahead and add my grated beetroots. Stirring well. So to this now, once I've stirred a bit, I'll go ahead and add the 3 cups of rice. I'll mix this well. Then I'll go ahead and add 6 glasses of water. I'll also add the 3 spoons of salt. I will stir this. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook.